Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're drawing something special, a school building. Are you ready?
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and paper, and let's get started. Let's start by drawing a big rectangle at the bottom of the page. Above it, draw a smaller rectangle, and on top of that, draw one more rectangle. These are the parts of our front building. Now, let's add a fun top part. Draw a castle-like roof by making small square shapes along the top edge of the building. On top of the roof, draw a small triangle on a stick. This is the school flag. Behind the front building, draw another rectangle to show the second building. This makes our school look 3D. Now, let's draw two tall rectangles in front of the first building. These are the school's pillars. In the middle of the front building, draw a tall rectangle for the main door. On each side of the door, draw a square for the windows. Divide the windows into 4 smaller squares by adding a cross inside each. Below the door, draw 3 long rectangles stacked on top of each other for the stairs. On the second floor of the front building, draw a circle in the middle for the clock. Inside the circle, draw the clock's hands and numbers. Above the door, write school inside the rectangle.
La da 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 dee.
Nice job, everyone! Your school building looks amazing. Now let's go over the lines again with the black marker to make the artwork bold and sharp. Wow! It's looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now, let's color our school building. Grab your color pens, and let's use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. You did it! Your colorful school looks incredible. Fantastic job, everyone! Don't forget to share your artwork with your friends and family. Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time for another fun drawing session.
Yay!
Bye, friends! See you soon! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.